Imagine walking through your city and every plastic bottle, every can, and every waste lying around could actually pay someone, power industry, and clean the environment all at once. That's the vision behind Seco, community incentivized recycling for a cleaner environment. We are Team Seco, a group of students from Federal University of Technology, Akure, passionate about redefining how recyclables are recovered and valued in Nigeria. According to the World Bank, Nigeria generates over 32 million tons of waste every year. Yet, less than 20% of this waste is properly collected. In Nigeria, in Akure alone, over 17,000 tons of waste is generated monthly, with millions of naira worth of recyclables ending up in the landfills and dump. And this is causing a problem whereby causing inconsistent supply to the recycling companies and community throwing away recyclables that could actually earn them incentives, and recycling truck and waste management organization trucks moving without data, thereby wasting resources. After engaging waste management organization, recycling companies, hotels and restaurants, I will now pass the mic to my fellow colleague Samuel to tell us about the solution we are building.
All right, thank you very much, Andrew. So in this section, I'll be talking about the functional aspect of our product, which is how it works, as well as a little bit of the technicals, how we build what works. Traditionally, if you were to recycle a product, the approach would be that you gather recyclables, get to look for recycling companies who are willing to sell these recyclables, making recycling seem like a chore, right? But with Seco, we're removing all that. All you need is your recyclable. You walk up to our RVM Smart Bin, put in your recyclables, scan, and get rewarded. It's that simple. For manufacturing companies in need of these recyclables, we're also providing access to our smart bin. By scanning our QR code on the smart bin and paying for the recyclables, they get to receive these recyclables. We understand the importance of inclusiveness, which is why we're building Seco to be fully accessible. What that means is that for someone who is blind and reliant on screen readers, you can make use and get access to our services as easy as that. We're also working on ways in which you can bring this accessibility feature that we've added to our app to our RVM machine. For security, we're using HMark to ensure that each scan from our smart bin is authentic and verified with our signature. Moving on, I'll pass the mic to Christiana to tell us the value we bring and why all of this is important.
Thank you, Samuel. What makes Seco different? We are building Akure's first ever data-driven recycling network, which consists of a smart bin that sorts the waste at the source, a mobile application that provides real-time alerts, and a data dashboard for government officials. This means cleaner materials, predictable supply, and less rates of contamination. Market and impact. Akure alone generates 17,000 tons of waste every month, and 65% of this waste is recyclable. All of them end up on dump sites. This is where Seco comes in. Our smart bin can divert 2.5 tons of waste every month. We are deploying 13 bins in our first year, which will divert over 31 tons of waste in our first year of operation. This number continues to increase as Seco scales. Our model is built to sustain itself. In our first year, from the sale of recyclables alone, we are generating 5 million from just for a bin. This number scales up to 65 million naira for 13 bins in just 1 year. We also earn from subscription to our mobile application as software as a service, sales and the rentals of our recycling, and data provision for government officials and NGOs. Our model is built to retain customers through an incentive model. Our project is not just impactful, but it's commercially viable. I'm giving the mic to Emmanuel to tell you more about the team that built this product.
Thank you, Christiana. So let's go straight into the team. We have Andrew, who is our team lead and backend engineer. Samuel was the mobile developer and he worked on the embodiment machine. David was the front-end developer. Christiana helped us with collecting data because he was our data scientist, and I am the UI designer of the project. So before we go, I'm going to leave you with this. We are building a system that allows technology and community to influence the way Africans manage waste. We are also seeking for funding, mentorship and partnership with other companies and organizations that have the same goal as ours, which is providing a better environment for our economy. Together we can build a system that converts waste to wealth and also community into a force of change. Join the movement, join Team Seco.